Hey everyone, and welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a pop-up in Shopify. So this is actually super easy. Now what you need to do is first you need to jump over to your app section and search in here for pop-up. So let's just add in here pop. So it is kind of notifications, so you need to be making sure that we need to search it in the app store. Yeah, so the pop-up notifications are really great if you want to flash some discount sale, anything like that. You can see we have pop-up banners, and you need to be making sure that you install pop convert, and it does have good rating and uh, also nice free plan that you need to own. Okay, so here we have that. You can see the pop-up is showing up something like this. If you want something else, we have multiple different pop-up settings as well that we can modify. You can add your contacts. Of course, once you have your pop-up, you can add different information grabbing pop-ups as well. So you can add email collection and contact collection. Sky's the limit. So yeah, this is how simple it is. You can install this application and your pop-up banners are going to be showing up. So this is how it is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.